Hey guys, thanks so much for joining me. In today's video, I'm going to be going over why I canceled my Allure Beauty Box subscription and my Ipsy Glam bag. I'm going to show you what was in my last 4 months of Allure Beauty Boxes. I'm going to go over the pricing and who I think these would be good for. To my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Michelle. I love all things beauty. I would love it if you would consider subscribing before you go. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you hit that bell icon, you can be notified every time I upload a new video. I'm sure you guys have noticed I have not been doing any of my unboxing for Allure Beauty Boxes. I actually have 4 boxes sitting here. To give you a little bit of information about the Allure Beauty Box, it is a subscription monthly beauty box service. They have 3 memberships. You can pay monthly. It used to be $23. I did notice that it increased to $25. You can prepay for 3 months, which is $60, or you can pay $228 for the year, which is like getting 2 free boxes for the year. And basically what comes in your box is you get 6 editor approved beauty products, which are their favorites. Sometimes you can actually get more. You get 3 full-size products, and the box is supposed to be valued at least $100 or more, which I do have to say, I think most of my boxes were valued at the minimum of $100, if not more. Now the Ipsy Glam bag, I actually never showed here on my channel, and I have been getting it for almost a year. They have different types of glam bags. I had the basic one because it's the least expensive. I was paying $13 a month for this little tiny bag. You get up to 5 products. They're not full-size products. This is supposed to be valued at up to $70. So I figured for $13 a month, I would give this a try, but like I said, I haven't even shown it here on the channel. So right up front, I'm just gonna let you know, I decided to cancel because I feel like there's too many products in these boxes that come monthly that one person cannot possibly use up. I want to show you what came in just these 4 boxes, and then I want to show you kind of what I keep versus what I end up giving away. I don't even know what month is what here. So for instance, this one box that I have here, it looks like I have a hair mask that I probably won't be using. I have a Victor and Rolf perfume I will not be using. This is so unbelievably strong. It's just not for me. It looks like there is a Rose Gold Radiance Booster skincare that apparently has real gold in it. And this is a cream highlighter. I have mature skin. I don't necessarily use a highlighter because I feel like it accentuates wrinkles. This is really, really pretty. Just to show you what it looks like. It is beautiful. This actually might go great on your eyes. But that's the other thing with these boxes is I find that to keep the products that are in it, I find that I'm kind of using them in different ways. And the last thing in here are brushes. I do like these brushes. I will probably keep these. So one item out of that entire box I am keeping for $25. So the next box, and like I said, I don't even know what month it is for. This one had quite a bit in it, and it had a lot of full-size things in it. This is probably one of the better boxes. This has the Elta MD Skin Recovery Toner. This is something that I would use. I know this is great for sensitive skin, so it won't cause me to break out or do anything weird on my skin. It has a Christoph Robins serum. This is a regenerating serum for your hair. It's supposed to help smooth your hair out. This is CEO Afterglow Brightening Vitamin C Serum. I'm not going to use that either. Looks like I have a liquid eyeliner. Probably going to pass on this too. And then this was actually really good. It was the First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. This might be something that I would keep. The size of this is huge. This would take me probably 6 months, if not longer, to go through this, and that's using it every day. And I already have one that came in a previous beauty box that's a full size from a different brand. That's why it's just so hard to use all of this stuff up, and then it's just sitting around taking up space. Even though this is a great product, I'd probably just end up giving that away. Then it came with the Dr. Botanicals Turmeric Mask Superfood Restoring Treatment Mask for your face. So that was in that box. So we have 2 boxes down, and all I'm keeping so far are the makeup brushes. Okay, next box. All right, this one. This came with the Chlorine Dry Shampoo, which I thought was fantastic. This is such a good size. I believe this is the full size. It is for dark hair, so I'm guessing that it's tinted. My hair is not that dark, so I'm probably not going to use this. It's not even for me, so I guess I'll just have to give this away to a friend, but it's a great product. It came with some fake nails. These are super cute. I love them. I don't have any nails. I don't like to have nails because I use my fingers a lot for skincare and makeup, and I just feel like they get gross and stuff gets caked underneath. It has the Mario Badescu Vitamin C Serum. That is not something that I'm gonna be using either, so I'll be giving this away. The Milk Hydro Grip Primer, I did get this in another beauty box, so I must have gotten this twice. This is something that I'll probably be keeping, but this isn't even a full size. This is just kind of a little trial size, so that I will be keeping. This is Dr. Paw Paw Lip Mask. So this is a lip sleeping mask. I'm not going to be using this either. The By Rosie Jane, this is a perfume roller. I do have this brand in a different scent, but I don't really need perfumes. I have a ton of perfumes. So that is everything that is in this box. So I'm only keeping one thing out of this box as well. This is the last box that I had from the 4 months sitting here. This one's really heavy. I don't even know what's in here. This has the Tula Skincare Purifying Face Cleanser. This is a great cleanser. This was just in the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale. This is a full size 6.7 ounce. This is a fantastic gentle cleanser. I have a friend that uses this, so I will either give this to her or I'll keep this myself, but this is massive. Again, this will last me such a long time if I were to keep it. So this one's kind of questionable. I have an aromatic spray serum. I thought this was for your room. It's not, it's for your skin. It is a vegan formula enriched with white truffle extract from Italy. This is not something that I think I would be putting on my skin. Aromatic, as soon as I saw that, I really did think that this was a room spray. I guess if you really want that spa experience and have a beautiful scent as you're spraying it on your face, you'll probably love this. That's not something that I'm going to be using. This is the YSL Lash Clash Mascara. Not a full size. I always like to keep mascaras. So this guy I will be keeping and trying out. And then I have the Sephora brand. They do put Sephora brands in these boxes. I'm not a huge fan of putting the Sephora brand. I just think that, you know, the Sephora brand is pretty affordable as it sits. And a lot of times they have huge sales too on that. I know during their VIB sales that you can get 30% off and they're not super expensive. This is a nourishing moisturizer for your face, a prebiotic. I'm probably not going to use this. Then it looks like I have a sheet mask, a beet in retinol. I will not be keeping this. I'll probably give this to a friend's daughter who is really into skincare and masks and those type of things. And then it looks like I have a palette by Beauty Bakery. This might actually be something that I would keep. It's a highlighter palette, dang it. If this was eyeshadow, I would be all over it. This is just a highlighter palette, and I'm not huge on highlighters, especially for mature skin. I guess I'm giving this away too. So that was it. So out of the 4 boxes, which is $100, I'm only keeping the Elta MD, 2 mini sizes of a primer and a mascara, and the makeup brushes. That's all I'm keeping. So for $100, these are just samples. I mean, I could use my points at Sephora and get products like this. The Elta MD, I really like. I wish I had known this was in there sooner. I probably would have used it. And I don't need makeup brushes, but it's always nice to have some extras. This is why I wanted to show you guys kind of what comes in the boxes and, you know, what you get for a variety, you know, full sizes versus a lot of the little trial sizes, in case you guys are interested. So now I'm going to go through my Ipsy Glam bag, which I've never shown. Like I said, I've been getting this for over a year, and this is only $13 a month. So this was just one glam bag. I actually emptied all of my others and put them in a bin for people to go through and pick out what they wanted. Now, this is Grown Alchemist Gentle Gel Facial Cleanser. So you just get a little facial cleanser here. This is not something that I'm going to be using. They have a lot of like little fun types of things that I think are kind of for younger people. This is a birthday cake body butter. This is what it looks like. It almost looks like frosting in here. I do have to say though, this is a body butter. It kind of smells like the Sol de Janeiro. Like if you took the original Boom Boom cream, the yellow one, and I think it's either the blue or the pink one, and mix them together, that's kind of what this smells like. It smells pretty good. It smells very kind of beachy. I think there's 2 other things in here. There is a Ciate Illuminating Blush. I don't know if I'm gonna use an illuminating blush. Yeah, so there you go. That's an illuminating blush. Let's just see what it looks like. It's a really pretty blush. It's just not something that I would probably use on my cheeks. It looks like there is a Ultimate Finish Translucent Setting Powder. This I might try. It's very, very white. But there it goes for setting powder. So the setting powder I'll probably keep. So $13. And I'm just keeping this one product. Now I just want to show you guys all of the products that I have accumulated probably in, the last few months. I want you to see the amount of products so that you can decide if this is something you think that you're going to be able to use up. This is all of the products that I have accumulated. Keep in mind that there was probably, I would say, this amount that I had already given away. There's a lot here. It's a massive pile. I don't think I would ever be able to use up all of these products. Just way, way too much. So my final thoughts on these two subscriptions is both subscriptions are really good depending on what you're looking for. As far as the Ipsy Glam bag, I mean, it's really affordable. It's only $13. You don't get full sizes, but you still get a nice variety. You're not getting something huge like this. So you'll actually be able to use them up and they won't go to waste. And they do come with these cute little bags. I mean, these are some of the bags that they came in and they were super cute. I actually gave some away. I gave them to my mother and they kind of go by the season. So these do come in handy just to keep in your purse. I think this would be really great for a high school student or a girl that's graduating or something like that, just to give her, 1 year subscription to get all of these cute things if she loves beauty and skincare. Not that women our age can't enjoy these. So for $13, I don't think you can go wrong. The Allure Beauty Box is a great beauty box if you will use the products. I think it's definitely a little bit pricier, $25 per box. If you're that person who loves to try new things, you don't have sensitive skin, you want full-size products, you want the editor picks from Allure, if you're into Allure Beauty and you kind of follow them, definitely take advantage of the 1 year subscription so that you can get 2 boxes for free. So I'm not totally knocking the Allure Beauty Box. I do love it. I just find for me, and with my skin type and my hair, that it's just not worth $25 a box to keep hardly anything out of the boxes. So guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this and found it helpful. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch. I appreciate it so much. Have a great weekend and I will see you in my next video.